The fire's dying.
We need more kindling.
Pass me that box of memories.
No! These are from our wedding day!
Relax. I used Legacybox.
They digitize old home movies and photos. It was easy.
Do they do all formats?
They can digitize anything.
But is it safe?
It all lives safely in the cloud.
So burning our wedding photos isn't the end of the world.
Oh, no, it's definitely the end of the world.
But yes, our family memories are safe and protected.
Now we don't have to worry about fire, floods, deterioration, or our photos being eaten by a doomsday monster. Oh my god!
But how do you know we can trust them?
They've got over 10 years of digitizing experience.
And millions of families have already used them.
Legacybox hand digitizes every videotape, film reel, and photo. Right here in the US.
Wow, it's nice to feel protected again.
Go to legacybox.com to protect your photos, films, and tapes, no matter what happens. Hey, remember the taste of cake?
I miss cake.